Hi everybody, it's Carrie. I got a small iPhone unboxing. I had it for a while, but I'm just getting to it now, so I will show you if I can get it out. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, trying to open it and get is it's the new ones. Well, more of the new ones that I didn't get when I did show you that I got now. I thought I got them when I ordered the other ones, but obviously I didn't. So, here we go. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. You don't need to sit it anymore. You do. Okay. There we go. There. Alright. Let's see. Oh. So this. Okay, this is the baby alpaca tweed that I got the last time I ordered and I didn't. I got it now. I got two different colors of it. I got the red, the really pretty red. So, baby alpaca tweed. It's a lightweight, 100 grams, 350 meters, 25 baby alpaca, 50 merino wool, 25% visco. Really pretty. So I got that one. Okay. And my last order, I did get this too, but I didn't get the colors that I thought I was getting. I guess I just put the stuff in my cart the last time and just said, okay, check out, pay. Not even look. Anyways, but this is Airwool Sport. Okay. One second. One second. Okay. So this is Airwool Sports. It's a very soft. I'm using it. The one that I got two the last time. I think I got the same color because I needed more. Right here. It's really soft. And it says it's okay, this is a medium weight. 50 grams, 115 meters. I'm sorry, my allergies. My allergies are year round. And during the fall, winter, it gets worse. But anyways, I can't read. I can never read the labels. They always fade out, but it's really soft. I like this one too. So I got that color. Look, here's the baby alpaca tweed. Right here in the green. I have this one too. The Prima Palliette. Okay, so and there's red. I like red. I get a lot of my yarns that have red in it. And earth tones mostly, but I do like all the colors, but some are my favorites. Okay, that shine. Okay, so it's lightweight, 50 grams, 125 meters. 94 acrylic, 8% of the sequins. Pretty. So that one. Okay. I think this is the same color? Yeah, it is. Okay. So this is the Airwolf. Airwolf Sport. So this is the one that I just showed you that I'm working on here. So that's okay. I just got a couple more. Oh, okay. I don't knit. They sent me some knitting needles. Okay. Okay, listen. Okay. This is alpaca palante that I also have in a couple other colors. This is the one in red. It's a pretty red. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah. I had to make. So this is the alpaca. It's a fine weight, 50 grams, 180 meters, 20 alpaca, 75 acrylic, and 5 palliante. Really pretty. So I got that 4-pack of that one. I got 2 more. This is okay. This is the alpaca palante. In green. And then what's this? Oh. This was new. Okay. There's 6 of them. And this is a fairly new one that they had. Shetland wool. A little 6-pack paint. This is the last one. Nice. Okay. And this is a Shetland wool. It's a very super fine. It's a one weight. I usually don't use one, or a lightweight. But if it's pretty, or if I mix it with something else, I'll use it. But this is, I like this. This is really pretty. And the light is showing that it's not as dark. It's a really dark red, but anyways, this is 50 grams, 280 meters, 100% wool. It's very nice. Very, very nice. And you get some food. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.